because of this man. So I'd like to welcome to the stage Tony Drees, everybody.
I'm a living legend. You ain't heard yet, you not get the message. From the moment that I'm stepping in and get a couple weapons, yeah, I turn to a beast when I'm rapping.
Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Erica. Give me some. How's that? Hi, everybody. I was on the winning team. I was in the United States Army. In 1991, February 25th, 1991, I was in a barracks that got hit by the deadliest Scud missile of the Iraqi war. The doctors were going to cut my leg off at the hip at age 23. I told them no thank you. So after 27 years and 70-some surgeries, I finally last year had to have my leg cut off because of cancer and other complications. But I didn't go without a fight. And so I want to tell you about the fight that you're going to be into for the rest of your lives. Because each of us, whether we join the military or not, have to be the warrior of our own lives. And there's a few rules I want to share with you, okay? The first rule is no lies. How I got to this wasn't that fun, but it was a great revelation. The second rule I have for you is no excuses. I'm here to tell you, take no excuses in striving for what it is that you want in this life. And if you don't know what it is, take no excuses in finding out what it is that you want in this life. The last thing I'll say to you, my last rule, the final rule, never quit. What you decide that you can or cannot do is solely between your own two ears. It's never too late for you to keep your promises to yourself. And the reason why I'm here today is to let you know that there are people in your midst fostering goodwill in the community. You don't have to join the Army and get your leg blown off to do some work in the community. Your service is your blessings and sharing them with others that need them. No lies, no excuses, never quit. I'm Tony Drees. Thank you very much.
After careful deliberation, congratulations to Junior Divine.